Greetings everyone. My name is Skalk, or as some call me Skala. I am a South African and I have authored a book called Confessions of a Recovering Racist, which deals with, my background and my views and how they have changed over my lifetime so far. And I felt that it was important to write this book. It took me many years to actually get pen to paper after feeling I had to just say something. And from my experience in the development arena, I worked in the social development. Firstly, I started out as a person being involved with Christian mission outreaches, and that is where my heart was first touched by people of other colors and races, and I got to enjoy them and got to live with them and work with them. So I have traveled quite a bit through Africa, and a lot of the book is based on my experiences. And also, obviously, I've studied. I've got a degree in human and social sciences with development studies as my core, because my passion is human development. So through that, I got involved later on working in the social development field, and over the last 30 years, this has been my life. So with me sharing with friends and folks over the years, many people have said, but why don't you just put pen to paper? Why don't you just share this with other people? So that is how the book came to pass. The book, as I said, is called Confessions of a Recovering Racist. And you would definitely benefit by buying a book and reading it. It is, so far, everyone that gets back to me says, when you pick it up, you can't put it down. So let's hope that you will feel the same way. But I started this little video channel now, also out of people saying to me, Skalk, we've heard you, we've seen what you read, and today we want to hear more. We appreciate your views on it. And we also want to learn more about it. We also want to see how development can come into South Africa and can, be affected all over the world. So development obviously is a very wide topic, but I'm talking more on the development of people who are struggling, people from, the bottom of the economic scale, and people who are marginalized, and so on. And we all have a responsibility to create a better society, because at the moment our society is so divided. If we look at what's happening in America and Britain and Europe with the mass immigration and just the effects that has on the social fiber of those countries. Currently there are many uprisings in Ireland and England and in Europe with the clashes of these different cultures. And we are truly, there's a book on the clash of civilizations, and that is what we are. We have been experiencing for thousands of years, but now it is just so much more pronounced. And seeing that we have social media and all of the modern ways of proliferating information, it just aggravates the situation. So that was part of why the book was written. And then also, now I'm taking it a step further by starting the little video talks. I would like to see that some of you who listen to this would think in your head, listen, what role can I play? Firstly, where am I wrong? Where is my mindset wrong? And how can I play a role in bringing about a change in our world? Because that is important. We all have a role to play. Even if it's a small role, even if it's just with, a staff member of yours, or even the person who cleans your garden or cleans your house for you. How can you take that person, empower them in a way to take their lives forward? So that is part of where I will be going. Obviously, initially, I'm just going to be sharing from my book a little bit and be sharing from my own life experiences. And so therefore I am starting these little video talks. I will put together, a whole range of things and work towards that. And maybe just share some fun videos in between as well. But yeah, if you are interested, if you know me maybe personally, or you have read some of my literature from the past, or heard me speak somewhere, please just like this page or this video. I don't exactly know how it works. There's a like and there's a subscribe and a follow button. I can't promise that I will be posting videos every day, but I'm going to try on a regular basis. But and then I will also get, you know, your feedback. People would comment and say, please speak on your views of this and your views of that. Yeah, so, you know, for me, there's so much happening in South Africa at the moment, and there is a lot of it is obviously on social media, and you see speeches of politicians and reactions of other politicians. Maybe we can comment on some of those as well. But ultimately, this is not a voice of more division. It's a voice calling for unity, calling for love, calling for peace. And I would also, obviously, due to the nature of my videos and of my book, I will not tolerate anybody who puts racial stuff on my comments. People who type nasty comments, I will just delete them. You don't. It's not your platform. If you want to vomit out your rubbish, go do it somewhere else, not here. And so I will control that very well. It is, after all, my channel, and I can do what I want with it. And my intention is to make it a channel of peace. So please, let's walk together a little bit. So go and like, subscribe, and follow this video channel. Thank you very much. Until next time.